Hello.
More twins, yeah.
Ah, more twins. What is it with twins over here? It's something in the water.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks for being here tonight. Honestly, thanks for being here. It's going to be awesome. But you were saying something to me there. Tell me again.
I am practicing with my baby drumsticks.
Right, and a little trick for you I was taught years ago by one of my teachers was to use heavier sticks sometimes when you're practicing. And then when you go to perform, you go back to your normal stick, like a 5B, but then go to a 5A. It feels like your hands are just like...
So I was comparing them last night, and the 5B was a bit...
Yeah. No, it's good to practice sometimes with a 5B and then go to a 5A when you perform, because it just feels easier because they're lighter sticks then, and it helps just build up the tendons.
Practice with people.
Yeah, awesome. Well, keep rocking.
I'll try to imitate.
I could see you. I knew you were a drummer. I could see you tapping away there. I was like, that girl's a drummer. You always know. Drummers know drummers. I think we're going to do a photograph, or we're going to attempt to do a photograph. There's so many of us.
That's what happened. The woman would always clarify her own.
And now they cover up the drums like they are. And Johnny's being king of the photographers. Johnny's being king of ceremonies.
Yeah, exactly. Perfect.
How are you?
All right, how are we doing?
Okay. Is everyone getting in for a photograph? Come on over. I think Dan is still talking and meeting people. This happens.
See, at least he's meeting fans, but you know, after a while, it's like, hurry up.
Yeah.
You know, but at least he's being nice to everyone.
Yes. This is it's called Periscope. We're live on the internet now.
How do you feel?
Oh, I feel great.
And do you really feel great? Good, nice red hair you got there.
Yes.
Thanks, I like
We
the
could be fans.
You could be relations.
I think we are.
Somewhere down the chain there's probably a link.
Joyce? She's Irish.
There you go. That's an Irish name. Okay, I'm going to go on the outside. Here we go. I'm going to go on the outside. I'm going to Periscope us getting a photo together, okay? Here we go. Jump in here. Here I am. Let's move in. Squeeze over. How's that? Are we in?
Jamie, can I get a small bit of light, please? Thanks, Megan. I just have a black here. I need everyone to smile and cheer.
Yeah!
Put your hands in the air.
Put your hands up in the air.
Jamie, can I get a small bit more light? Small bit. I'm just taking pictures. Yeah, that's great. Thanks. That's just black and white. Thanks. So, volunteers, I now need you at the back of the room right now.
Cheers, folks. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Guys, thanks a million. We'll see you later on.
Yeah, see you then.
Thanks for being here today. We'll see you in a little while.
Take care, guys. Kick ass.
Thank you.
Thanks, Johnny.
No problem.
Yeah. Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks heaps for having me.
No problem.
Yeah.
No worries.
I'm going to start down there, and if that's cool, then take a quick photo. Great, thank you.
It's really warm in here, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's hot in the city tonight. Hot in the city. In the city tonight. How's it going, mate?
Hey, mate, you're right.
Nice to see you.
I think we're starting down here and we're doing photographs. Is that right?
Okay.
Where would you like the shot? Would you like it with that in the background? Or?
It's a bit dark.
Why don't we stand here and just move in? Because then we get the same
Okay,
shot.
sweet. Yeah, that sounds perfect. You guys just stay in one place.
Otherwise, you walk down and get a good time.
Alright, jump in and then. Sorry.
How you doing, guys?
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
How are you, young man?
What's it say here? Show me.
How are you? The VIP pass. Very important person.
Hello. How are you? Nice to
How
meet
you
you.
doing, mate? Nice to meet you.
How are you, mate? Good to see you guys.
Hello.
Hey, sweetheart.
Nice to meet you.
Let's jump in there and we get a picture.
There we go. There we go. Bingo.
Go.
Great.
Thank you, guys. Thanks very much. Nice to meet you.
The show tonight as well?
Yes.
We'll see you later. It's going to be a good one. We've had a nice rest and we're ready to play. And do a gig.
Sorry, honey, that's when we've got a photographer.
Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How are you doing? Hello.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. How are you?
Jump in there and we get a photograph. Spread it out like a happy family.
I'm periscoping, the photographer.
Jamie, can we get more light? All right, thanks, Jamie. No, unfortunately. Stick the flash on yours. That's cool.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. Hello.
Nice to meet you.
We can move back.
How are you? Nice to meet you. How you doing?
Great, how are you?
We need to get a flash in. Sorry, guys.
Okay.
Sorry. Thank you.
Let's move back here.
Yeah, because they need to do that.
There's lots of people coming.
They're all working out their stuff.
So you put there.
No, I feel really tall. Yeah, I feel really tall.
Now, you know. The dark was great and all around here.
Enjoy the rest of your day, girls. Thank you.
Enjoy the show later on. See, this is stuff that you guys don't see, and now you get to see it.
I have to tell you, Sinead Burgess, I used to teach her.
How is good?
Oh, you used to teach her, yeah. Yeah, good to see you.
That's not what you need.
How are you? How you doing? Nice to meet you. How's it going? Jump in there and we get a photo.
Cool photo, guys.
Nice.
You guys coming to the show later?
Yeah, we do.
Awesome. It's going to be a good one.
We retreat that shit.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, I'll see you guys probably a little bit later on then. Hello. Nice to meet you. How you doing, Dave? How you doing? Nice to meet you. How you doing? Nice to meet you, mate. How are you? Hello. Nice to meet you, Tegan. How you doing? Nice to meet you. There you go. Spread across there and we get a shot. A picture is what I'm trying to say in English.
You guys just do that. You guys just so they can have your own photo. Just do that for one sec.
We want a group one.
Are you sure?
You're together,
Okay,
yeah.
no. Okay.
They're all together.
Yeah, right.
And then just you two jump out and keep you two.
We should have done that in the first place.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you so
Wicked.
much.
Thanks, guys. Enjoy the cake. See you guys later.
Yes. Folks, this way.
Photos, guys.
Hey man, how's it going? Hey, fella.
How you doing, mate? Nice to meet you. How are you?
Yeah, pretty good.
Hello. Nice to meet you. Hi. Hello. Nice to meet you. How are you? Did you say ish? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, ish. Oh my God. There you go. Jump in there. Nice one. Thanks, guys.
Thank you. Enjoy the show.
See you later. Hello. How you doing? Nice to meet you. How you doing? Nice to meet you, mate.
You too. Hey.
Nice to meet you. Are you alright? Pleasure. Jump in there, lads, and make it around. Get a smiley photograph.
You're up a teeny bit. Lovely.
Wicked. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Whoa.
We'll do a big group shot.
Okay, group shot.
Big group shot, boys.
Good to see you again, man.
Good to see you.
Hello, guys.
I'm Ned. I'm Mel. I brought gifts.
Oh, good. How are you? Nice to meet you. Good.
So there we go.
Wicked.
I got three different
nice.
sizes, and you
Okay.
can check.
Awesome.
which
Thank you very
suits.
much. No problem.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you very much. Very kind. Hello.
New Zealand.
How are you? Very nice. Hello. How you doing? How you doing? You good? Good to see you guys. Hello. How is it?
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Jump in here. I'm good.
We're doing a family shot.
I'm here.
Get in, boss.
Oh, jump in there. That's good.
Cool.
Cheers.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Have a great show.
Thank you very much. We'll see you later.
Do the interviews now, okay?
Interviews, cool. Okay. See you guys. See you guys later. Thank you. See you later. How you doing, mate? Are we going inside now? Is that where we need to be?
Yeah, the interviews.
Oh, there's interviews. See, I didn't even know there was interviews today. This is what happens. So you guys are really getting a look at what we do on a daily basis. See behind me? There's all the people that came in to meet us, which is really awesome. Yeah. People don't ever see this side of it, so it's really cool that we can show you. Why won't it?
Right, do this live on Periscope. Tell me who we're going to hit. Who do you want to hit?
I'd say Johnny. Let's do Johnny. Hold on.
Everyone says Johnny.
Right. Yeah. Oh, go again. Did you get him?
Yeah, in the leg.
Shot in there.
Girl, the great pants.
I gotta go behind you. Right. Go again. He's throwing plectrums. Oh. Okay. Okay. No worries. No worries. It's all good. Right. So we're gonna go in here and
to rent properties, private rent sector.
Backstage right now. I think we've got to do interviews, so I've probably got to turn off here because here's what backstage looks like.